Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition to an Android device. Begin by launching App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on an Android. Then install Send Anywhere app on both devices, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, you need to click on all of those options to set up your apps. Let's start with Huawei. Select I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Then on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's screen. When you're ready, you need to select Send at the bottom left corner of Huawei and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Huawei, using all of those categories at the top, pick multiple files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close a node, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!